What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to run up and help my buddy out on his Porsche Macan. We're going to be doing some interior bits on his car. He's got some carbon fiber and a red dial for the clock. You guys will kind of see here in just a few minutes. But let's go ahead and run over to his house and let's help him get them installed.
That's it, bro.
Out.
Oh,
Snap.
way easier than I expected.
All right, then we just got to tear in the backside, huh?
Boom. Nice little tap. And she's out. Explain to the viewers what we're doing here, because this is... oh my gosh, bro. How many tries?
Well, you're putting in that new one. We got the old guy here. The red one's going in.
Be crisp.
That's nice.
Just got 4 screws that are microscopic. I just lost them.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! Where did that go? It's right there.
You actually... oh my gosh.
All right, get those 4 in there quick.
Get those things.
That was impossible. Look at that
one
thing.
Of those.
Tiny.
Boom. By the grace of God, we got those needles installed.
Dude, those needles are insane. All right, let's put it back in.
Dude, that thing looks so good.
That's sick. We got to get that in the car ASAP.
Just plugging in the main harness.
How the heck does it go in? Lights on. Oh.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby.
Snap that girl in. Oh, got it, dude.
Look at that.
Gosh, that thing looks insane. Shout out Luke, he's an expert.
Streets of Mexico doing some launches.
That's right. Hold on. This may or may not be law enforcement behind us. Let's go to a little bit of a better spot.
Yeah.
All right, step 1. Let's see. Come to a full complete stop. Step 2, Sport Plus. Kick it into manual. You're gonna want to see this. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. On green, here we go. Oh gosh, we ran out of road.
That's wild.
That guy was tweaking.
That guy was super tweaking.
Bro, that was We lost a little bit of traction. That was fun.
This thing's boogieing.
Monster
That is for
launched
sure.
it, that's for sure.
Those are some good launches. Well, there you guys go. There is that Porsche Macan. We got the interior looking sweet. And you guys can tell those things are pretty fast. That is 100% factory, and it was a lot of fun to be able to go and work on it. Now, I do have a lot of changes coming up for 2026, so you guys are going to want to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And if you enjoyed this type of video, make sure you hit that like button and let us know in the comment section what you want to see done on that Porsche Macan. I'm sure my buddy Morgan would be willing to do some more mods and to get us over there to help him install it. So let us know in the comment section down below. But that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited for 2026, so make sure you guys stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.